Auto Specs here, bringing you an in-depth look at the Challenger 3, the British Army's latest evolution in main battle tank technology. The Challenger 3 builds on the legacy of its predecessor, the Challenger 2, by integrating extensive upgrades in design, weaponry, and sensor systems, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of modern armored warfare. Retaining the core structure of the Challenger 2, the Challenger 3 undergoes extensive modifications with a newly engineered modular composite armor package that dramatically improves its protection against kinetic penetrators and emerging top attack threats. The hull is reinforced with additional layers of explosive reactive armor, ERA, and supported by an active protection system, APS, designed to neutralize incoming anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, and rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs. Its completely redesigned turret now boasts state-of-the-art sensor and fire control systems that work in unison to provide unparalleled situational awareness and targeting precision on the battlefield. At the heart of its offensive upgrades is the replacement of the aging 120mm L30 rifled cannon with the cutting-edge Rheinmetall 120mm L55A1 smoothbore gun, a system capable of firing a wide array of NATO standard ammunition, including advanced armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding SABO, APFSDS, rounds and programmable airburst munitions. This new main gun, paired with an enhanced loading mechanism, allows for faster engagement times and improved firing rates, ensuring that the Challenger 3 can respond effectively to rapidly evolving combat scenarios. Alongside its primary weapon, the tank retains a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and can be fitted with an optional remotely operated weapon station, ROSE, to address urban combat and anti-infantry challenges. A standout feature of the Challenger 3 is its advanced sensor suite, which is a key enabler of its combat effectiveness. The turret integrates a third-generation thermal imaging sensor that allows both the gunner and the commander to detect and engage targets at long distances, even under the cover of darkness or in adverse weather conditions. This thermal sensor is paired with an independent panoramic sight for the commander, enabling what is known as hunter-killer capability, whereby the commander can search for new targets while the gunner focuses on engaging a current threat. Complementing these optical systems is an automatic target tracking system, ATT, that locks onto moving objects and automatically adjusts the gun's aim, making it exceptionally effective against fast-moving enemy vehicles. A laser rangefinder, which operates by emitting a laser beam to accurately measure the distance to a target based on the beam's reflection, further enhances the precision of the fire control system. In addition to these offensive sensors, the Challenger 3 also incorporates a comprehensive defensive radar-based components integrated into its APS, constantly scanning for incoming projectiles and calculating trajectories to deploy countermeasures, whether through physical interceptors or electronic jamming techniques. Furthermore, a laser warning receiver, LWR, alerts the crew to enemy laser targeting systems, triggering automated responses such as the deployment of multispectral smoke grenades. These grenades create an obscuring cloud in both the visual and infrared spectrums, further safeguarding the vehicle from enemy targeting systems. Beyond these, the tank benefits from an integrated digital battle management system, BMS, that links it to friendly units and command centers, facilitating real-time sharing of battlefield data, including enemy positions and terrain information. This digital network is bolstered by an advanced GPS and inertial navigation system, ensuring that the Challenger 3 maintains accurate positioning even in contested or GPS-denied environments. Powering this impressive array of systems is a 1,500 horsepower MTU V12 diesel engine that not only improves acceleration and top speed compared to its predecessor's Perkins CV12 but also offers better fuel efficiency and reliability. This engine, coupled with a sophisticated hydrogas suspension system, ensures that the tank can maneuver through varied terrains with stability and precision. With an operational range of around 500 kilometers, the Challenger 3 offers both strategic mobility and tactical flexibility, key factors in modern combat operations. In terms of cost, the upgrade program converting the Challenger 2 fleet to the Challenger 3 standard represents a significant investment, with individual tanks costing an estimated £5 million to £6 million. while the overall program is projected to be around £800 million. Despite these high upfront costs, the improved fuel efficiency, modular design, and reduced long-term maintenance demands are expected to yield lower running costs and enhanced battlefield longevity. In summary, the Challenger 3 stands as a testament to modern military engineering, combining robust offensive capabilities with a sophisticated sensor suite and advanced defensive systems. Its blend of a powerful main gun, integrated thermal and optical sensors, automatic tracking and range-finding technologies, as well as cutting-edge APS and laser warning systems, makes it a formidable platform in contemporary armored warfare. With these innovations, the Challenger 3 not only enhances the survivability and lethality of the British Army, but also sets a new benchmark for future main battle tanks. Thanks for joining me on Auto Specs as we delve deep into the intricacies of this remarkable piece of military technology. If you found this review insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification